Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all my viewers, my fans out there, all my followers, my brothers, my sisters, and my friends out there. This Weirdo Talk Show. I'm here out now to talk on the issue of our sister Julie, who need our help. I just want everybody now. We are going to start raising funds for our sister who has a problem in Italy. She has cried out for our help, and I believe time has come for we to support her. Definitely us and we here the talk show. It's not something I can do alone. A cry for one is a cry for all. If we all can join us together to help our fellow Nigeria, it will be a very great thing. Now let me digest now, go into broken English. My people, now good morning. My Nigeria people, time don't reach. We will take stand as one to support, to help our fellow sister. Una know sister Julie Osamede Idien, we need our help. She don't cry out. She don't cry out now. She need our help. And I believe nothing is too big and nothing is too small. Now, when I see on there, I put my own account there. And I still put account for Germany there. In case people will date Germany, say no people put for Italian, I cannot put Germany over there. But I know because from call from Germany, say they need Germany, I cannot make I put Germany or any account where I put, make una accept them from me. Because as the talk show presenter, I know what is good for me to do and to take. If I put account there, your account is there. You can do anything to support our beautiful sister. Because tomorrow, we don't know who is going to be the next victim. You understand? We're talking about raising funds. This is not the only way we fit help this our sister. Sister Julie Idien Osamede. This woman don't do hospital for 9-10 years now. I don't hear. And this woman has been passing through pain. You understand? Una see and when the woman dey pain. Now, this woman now, what we dey talk about now? She don't dey cry. She dey pain and she need our help. She dey need somebody wey go dey take care of her for hospital. And now, she always see wey she get e dey Naija. Who go be the person to come help this our sister? Now we come decide say the only way wetin we fit do for her na by raising fund to help this woman. Now make I come and say make everybody make we try. Una see the woman. So if we can help sister Julie, definitely I will go there to go and see her. If una fit help our sister Julie, God go bless everybody. It's time don't reach. Make we do fundraising for our sister Julie. My people, we no dey force anybody. My brother, I put account there. Any account you like for inside, you put money. Donating money, you don't care any account. You see my own account there. If you want to put there, put my own account. My own account there. Please, everybody, my own account there. Rather, now the woman be this. So, wetin important for this matter now for we to help this woman. So now see this woman now for we to help her. So person wey dey ground wey no dey waka for how many years? Make we think am now. So make we try help this our sister. Okay, it is very very important and very very important. So make we help her. So I don't want anybody to talk on the issue or wetin happen to our sister. I just want everybody to try. Make we do our best to help our sister. The year wey we come soon, we no dey beg anybody. Na with your mind. Because anything you do today, tomorrow you see am, you receive am. So this not be waiting. We go beg and say, oh, if you not do na lie. No, please. Na beg, na we dey beg. for everybody. We don't want say make we come do say come be like say wetin we dey do, we don't know wetin we dey do. My people, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. In anything wey we wan do, who wan do small thing, you go do. Because why? I place my own account there. Who hear though? My account dey there. Now I make a decision say I go dey come out morning in 30 minutes, and evening I will come out more to talk on the issue. But a lot of people don dey call say where the account. Now I come bring the account come out, so that having the account you fit just say yes you wan donate. Not be say when you no get account you come say no. The account is already there. Since you don't get the account, it is a free world. We are telling you. So who want donate no go demand this account. If I want help person, I know say this money see where they go. God know say na my heart I take give. You give heart to this woman. If you fit donate anything, may we rally around gather this money to help our sister Julie Iden Osamede. My people, if you know the thing where that woman they pass through, it touch you. Now we need to know our fellow people. We love each other. Bible says, blessed is the hand that gives from the one that receives. You see, say this our sister, she's in pain. She needs your help. She needs my help. Now, if person they need help, not be time where we will take scandalize her or destroy that person. It is very, very bad. Anybody where you see say if they destroy that woman like that, automatically that person is satanic, is evil. I don't anything I'm doing, I don't want I'm anything I put, I want everybody take it. My account is there. The account, the account you like, you drop money there. All I want how to receive the money and do what is right to do. That is what I'm interested in about. My people, if really you want, you are really in need, you really want to support this woman, the time has come for we to please, let's come. My Edo people, time don't reach now. My Edo person get problem now too. I want even see how we call ourselves Edo go render help to this woman now. Because make we look at this not even Edo person. So make we see what our people go fit do to help her. Not be say we not dey help the woman. The time don't we take see say whether we go help the woman or not. Now make me come out with for una. Come let una know say make we try do help for this woman and make we support her. Now I come beg everybody, man and woman, make we try, make we join her together. Anything I put there, una see my account there, my own account there. Una see my own account there. You see my account there. Be people know they see my account there. My account is there. My account is there. So anybody who wants support definitely see my own account there. So no need of people asking question, asking this one. You see my own account is there. Fundraising for Julie Osamede Iden, account number IBAN, BC, which name be that? FAI. I put my name FAI. You see FAI there. Who want put money? You see my own name there. So no need of we asking question. I don't mean you know the name you want to put money. I have placed that one there in case of those who said that in Germany want to donate through his platform to can donate. It's no need of we contemplating. Time is this period is not time of when we will take a quarrel or take a try to cause commotion within ourselves. This is time for we to help our sister. If really you dey feel for that woman, no need of asking. You see my own account is there, so why then are you asking other thing? My account is there, other account is there. My dear, today I'm talking. Anybody who talk wey not talk, I'll block and wait talk say on serious, because here is not for play. Because Omoba I can block you. Because why? Because one man cannot spoil the whole. One man cannot spoil because I block you, because that is today. because today's show I'm going to separate the sheep from the goat. Now I want to know those who really want to assist our sister. No need, you saw my name. You are not talking about, okay, Efe's name is there. Let me submit the money to Efe's account. You are deliberating on all that thing. Those are the people I call people. I don't know what to say. Oh. So our people sometimes they are. If I should call some people as stark illiterate, don't say I don't know. Don't say I don't know what I'm saying. So we are. If I say some people don't know the meaning, they say two options is there. We have two options there. Two options is there. You have two options. Then why people are still behaving like abnormal? They are behaving as if they did not attend school. We have to be two names there. If for you to talk or write anything, you concentrate on the other name. You concentrate on the other name rather for you contemplating trying to talk commotion. Please, if you are know you are evil sent, you are evil sent, please don't write anything there because you saw this there. Because many are called, you are choosing. It is time for we to do this thing. You understand? So that is it. It is time for we to assist and do this thing, what we are saying. So because people that are not relevant, I know they assist, I know they put them. Because I see a lot of people, they are not useful to the society, so I don't need people like that on my platform. What I need is how can we assist this woman? What I need is make we ask him. My account is there. Please, if you are some, I don't know, a lot of people are there. They have eye, they cannot see. They have ear, they cannot hear. Because those who have eye that cannot see, maybe they are blinded spiritually and physically. They are blinded. Why am I saying this thing? Because you are seeing, you are seeing my name is there, Efe's name is there. So why are you keep on talking? Those who want help person, they complain. Those who want help person, they know they complain. So those who know the help, now they complain. If you see those where they help, they don't complain. So why are our people complaining? So this is not a child play issue. So anybody who talk, I block you out of my platform. Because today I'm talking serious issue. It's not a play issue. So when people are playing, they think every time it's not for play. My son, oh yeah, play. So I'm coming. Oh yeah. So that is what I'm. Yeah, play. Take. Oh yeah, brandy. So that is it. When we are talking serious issue, we should concentrate on things that are serious. Why people are saying things that are not relevant? Let me. Since you said you want to sit near Papa. So what I'm saying is that if we are dealing on this issue, I'm dealing on issue, things that are very, very vibrant, important issue, we should concentrate on. You saw Uyedo is there. So why I see no reason people talking? We are dealing on serious issue. We are not playing here. If you are really here, you want to assist, unless you have sent from the agent of demon, agent of darkness to cause commotion on this thing. Those who want to assist this woman, you can assist. It's not by force. It is willingly from your heart. My name is there. My account is there. Why are then you people complaining again? My name is there. My account is there. So tell me what is the motive of you complaining and shouting or complaining on one particular thing? You saw my name there. You saw. So what then? If this is our sister, if people are coming to fraud people to job you, don't even care to ask. So you don't come. If you know you really want to help this one, you help. Not you. The account is there. My name is there. Then you do what you want to do. Rather, I don't put this and don't. Those are evil people, commotion people. So please, these are the people. I believe these people belong to those evil people. You understand? They belong to those people who don't want this woman to be healed. Who don't want the house to help the woman. Because if you are the follower of those groups, please don't come to my platform to condemn this woman. I rather block you. Because here we are serious. So we are serious. Anything we are doing, we do it well. Let me call the woman to speak. Anything I'm doing, I do it with genuity. Not be una talk. Let me call the woman. Those who don't want to do something, you go. So this is not a joking matter. The woman has been talking since yesterday. Hello, madam.
Hello.
Madam Koyo.
So
I'm starting it one way and anyhow, so that people can start from the donation, those who want to donate. So, madam, you can speak to people again and tell them your situation, what you want them to do for you again. Ma soon the video na iguana iwe na. Ihe video na.
Okay. What's your money make money?
Iguana.
Okay, we need guana. We own guana. Why will you come in here? We make it to me. Yes.
Okay. So now here wetin the woman talk now. The help person wey go come the help her for where she dey, because she no dey e still don wan play. She no dey waka. Person wey dey tear yansh everything. Oh, they just dey wan play. She need our help. Na make am talk say make we help her. So make everybody try. Help person wey no dey waka. E dey one place for 10 years. So people wey wan do something for the woman, e no go ask say the woman can't or the woman. Those are people wey no wan help. Who want help person? Those who want to help, we help the woman. So now here when she talks, so okay. So madam, we hear both me one.
Okay, my people, I beg. The help when I need from the hand. Yeah, they say make una help me carry my pikin and my mama come. Make it come to help me because the suffer when I take for year. It is too much, and I want to come up for year. Mona still help me for house. I beg.
Madam, yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you, brother. I don't hear from her voice, and in the evening I will still continue the show again. So, madam, okay, thank you later. Okay, later afterwards. Okay, okay. So, una don't hear when the woman talk now. So, in the evening, according to everywhere still talk. In the evening, I will still do the woman show by 10. Maybe say 10 if I come for, I will still do the woman show. If it's 30 minutes, I will still do one for those where they work for evening. Money so that can go soon. So those who want help the woman, person wey dey 10 years, e no get one place. How can you and now the woman fit help herself? Now we go help her. So my people, the only thing wey I get to tell una, make una try. Those wey want help the woman, make me try help her. Some people say make waka. One person wey no dey fit waka, una no see yansh wey dey tear dey put pipe for her body. Na pipe where she sit down, na pipe dey her body for years. E no dey fit waka. Pipe. If you wan shit na hand, you go put am shit. How person you fit waka? E dey use am take shit. You go put yansh for the shit by herself. You go take am. So my people, make una hear. My son, hold on now. Daddy is talking. So my people, those of you who really, that is the talk. Those who want to help her, I want everybody to please help the woman, because some people who don't want help. Hey, Jesus. My son, what is that? Hello? Now the woman is that call, so hello? More speaker, okay. Hello. Okay. Mo ye second one ye Jenny. Here no who they call again? Hello, madam. Otun te gume gwana. Otun yo lotun gugu. Hello. Hello. So my people, wetin I dey try talk. Wetin I dey talk. I just want make everybody help the woman. Those wey wan help the woman go help am. Those wey no wan help the woman go say e no get help. Na that one no be wetin dey force. Hello. Water ya mo water ya we. Okay. Oto. Ota ya we ota. Ya mo rota. Okay. Rota. Okay. So my people, wetin I dey tell now, those wey wan help our beautiful sister, make it help am. It's time for we to help our people. If we are Nigeria, Edo people, time don reach to help our sister. Make we raise fund to help the woman, sister and the family dey call. So please, as I talk on this morning, in the evening again, I go come out, because for this period, I'm going to be dealing on the issue. I'm going to be dealing on this issue of the woman, so that make people they put money for inside. So make people, make we help the woman. Those wey want help the woman, no go say, hey, now don't know whether now you want go carry the woman come for people come for Nigeria. So I don't know where person wey dey sick, wey dey a bed, wey no fit collect account, whether they put money for that one account. Our people, sometimes our people, they are all here for confusion, and anybody wey come here for confusion, I go block am, because I don't need people wey no dey normal. Because some of them wey dey write normal thing, you see these people, most of them are some women wey they don destroy their life, wey oyibo don vandalize them, kokobiri don vandalize them. Now they write another thing. You understand? Those wey wan really help the woman, they no go talk anyhow. But those wey no wan help the woman, na go talk anyhow. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Dami owe gbo yan. Tomorrow. So you get live video program, my brother.
Okay. The minera the law can finish the actual later. We go
Okay. So our people, those wey want help, where if you see any woman where they write bad thing for this platform, where they say breed this and can breed it, they see that they don't breed, they vandalize them. But the good women, decent one, whether the decent single mother, the decent sister, you no go talk anyhow. You no go talk anyhow. Now you go say okay, make you do this. But the one wey no get help, wey go do, because he never shop how much money. How you tell a person? Now those one come platform, come they write, put this account, put that, because those one they vandalize them. You see that they vandalize them. They think as 10 kokobri want to vandalize them today. Now those one they write bad thing for this platform. So because a reasonable woman where kokobri no they vandalize anyhow, you no go write yeye thing. But when they don't they vandalize them, you go begin the write yeye thing for the platform. Yeah, they play. Now then they write bad thing. But a woman where they bring no go write no say go say I see a fair name. He go say I see a name. You know say any money where you put there, you go call am, you go call say you go call come and say I put so money. You say I put so money, you place am with the word go see am. Now be say put this one. If you see them, most of them, all those one, because kokobri don vandalize them, they no get who they want help again. They no fit help their own to cause confusion. Now some of them be like Monica. Now they be like Monica. When Monica the one cause confusion, make they no help this woman. So the agent of Monica now they come they write on that thing. You see my name. What are you writing next? You saw here don't talk shame name. So these people are agents. When they send come my platform, come talk this thing. I believe say una fail. Because now then they call the right nonsense thing. And if you call the right because you see my own name, you better shut up. Because all we are needing say the woman, we write something there that you should help this woman. You saw my name, you saw my account, Miss Julie Osamede they need her help, and we have started the fundraising for her, and which has already begins from today henceforth. And this thing will come out again. We are going to start raising funds how to assist our sister. So I not see reason where our dead women, some of the dead women where kokobri don't spoil their life, go come they write on that thing. You understand? Hello. So all those dead ones, you see them, so now them go come here, come they talk. Those who really want to help the women, you go help. You see this one way don't spoil for life. Now then go come they talk. The reasonable women no go do anything. Go say, okay, I want to help this woman. You see the one, they don't want good. They don't want to. So this topic is not complete. So this topic is what? Fundraising for our beloved sister Julie Osamede Ide. How can we help her? We are here to help our sister, not by causing promotion upon her. Hello, caller. Koyo. Owó káàtì sí. Ìyá kan ti yò ìwà nínú Ramadan.
Okay, sir. Salopo Adebawe o.
Iṣẹ́ àkáǹtì rẹ̀ wà ní ẹ̀pà ẹ̀káǹtì rẹ̀ wà ní. Okay.
Ọ̀dà fún mi yà wè mí yà.
Okay.
Ǹjẹ́ wà lè gbọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ àná wí yà wè mí yà.
Anything wàyé wàá lè ta wàá lè praise so and the word àdẹ́rẹ́ bí náà yà yé yọ ní yà wẹ̀.
Ọ̀dà fún mi yà lè ti wẹ̀ létà bó ṣe.
Okay.
My
sister, Wesley. Thank you, my sister. You know, some good people no go complain, then go do one. But the one way no good, the good women will always call to assist. Why the bad one? Because their life has been wayward. They don't want to make person life better. Let's raise funds for this woman. Okay? So that is what I want. Not be we causing commotion for this woman. No. Everywhere where still those who want to donate, they know they ask questions, they know they write bad thing for question. Because those who no one help, where the money can send make on the write bad thing. Now those one now be the because you see bird of the same feather flock together because they are bird of the same feather. All they do they are moving together. All they are doing is to cause commotion, not to help this woman. A reasonable person want to help this woman. He see my name, they will say, okay, I put this money for here to account to. You go see call come up for video. Record, I put so money for here to talk show account. Yes, we will say, okay, we have to talk show foundation, your account. So at the end, we will now calculate all the money where we realize and bring it out for everybody to see. And then we give the money. And what she said she wants us to do, we will now look for the person, whoever that is able to bring them with the visa, then we now pay the money. So this is the money we want you to raise this one. We have raised this one, please. Okay, mother, this one, we want the visa, we want this old woman, and the grandson, which is the son of the Miss Julie Osamede Ide, to be here. So it's time for we to donate. Not by you see people that are causing commotion, they don't want to donate because they are sent by Monica Ambrose. I know what I'm saying. Those are the people writing nonsense. So my son, play. You understand? So my people, that is what I'm telling you. Okay? We should just try. Let's have one law. So let's donate and help our sister. You see bank there. I put bank there. Account for UK. We don't get account for make una help from UK. If we pay transfer into my account, now make I put IBAN there now because my you see my account there ferry. Now postal pay from that UK where you dey Laridos. All you have to do, you can put money from that account through that IBAN and the BICS. If you go your account, you will transfer money for your own account to that account through the BICS and the IBAN. Money go enter there. You understand? Now so because people feel they put money for the account, so they know the first time when be safe you want put money, you go through that IBAN and the BICS. Now make I put IBAN there, I put the BICS there, which is the SWIFT, so that make it fair donate the money. So my baby is playing. He's jubilating. It's just playing. He's jubilating. It's not. They play with daddy. So they play with daddy. It's just joking. He's playing with daddy. So no be they play. So now be waiting. I want to tell now. So you understand. So my people, that is what I want you to do. So since you cry, follow me. Want play with me now? Hold on. Yeah. So my people, that is what I want you all to do. Just do that one. See, play. So that is it. So my people, that is what I want you all to do. So that is what I want you all to do. They play them. So that is what I want you all to do. If you can do that one, automatically, this speaking yours, they play, they shout. Yours, they enjoy. No, let me talk. Because they shout. If they play, yours, they shout. Baby is playing. Okay, keep on playing. Yeah. So my people, my baby, they play, they shout. You know, let me talk well. Talk small. Yeah, play. So my people, waiting, I want to let you know. Now I be waiting at the talk. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Your 20 euro can save a soul. Your 10 euro can save a soul. Your 30 euro can save a soul. Your 40 euro can save a soul. Your 50 euro can save a soul. Your 100 euro can save a soul. Your 1,000 euro can save a soul. Your 20,000 euro, even though it can save a soul, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Now make I come tell you now, make una try donate this money to help our beloved sister. So no be waiting we go dey complain, dey talk wetin we not supposed talk. The time don reach where we will take help our beloved sister. This na from Edo person, Benin person. The time don reach where we will take help the Benin person. Hello. Yeah. I dey live. Yeah. Who dey call? Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay. I dey come up and speak. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Now I'm up here. I dey hear. Okay.
I use English to talk, man. I dey work, so my brother, good evening, good afternoon, everybody, and kada. Over account number la diane ore name. You don't put account number there. While you know ya so na lo mo. My brother, this is not.
Hello, go on.
Hello,
I dey hear you, go on.
Hello,
I dey hear you, go on.
So the account number wey dey there, different account number they there. Anyone who na like na put 20 euro. If you know say your money see pass 20 euro, put. So far if you don't put and finish, send the this thing, what they call and the teller or the this thing they send and go give that FAE. Nobody will shop anybody money. This one, if you send that, you will send the receipts. You will write and go give a FAE. You forward and you scan and go give a FAE. FAE will calculate. Not be say you don't send, you call the lie say you send. You must show the receipts. That's what the thing be.
Yeah. So
me myself, I will donate. I will show example to donate from Germany. Anywhere you do, if you know say you no fit send the money through bank, send them through their money transfer. Do people, I beg una. I know say na Yoruba people that will carry for head. This one not our own now. The money we want to donate to carry the song come. If 20 people donate 20,000, 20 euro, 500 people fit donate them. If the money will reach 10,000 euro, at least 10,000 euro fit carry a come. We need 500 people. Me myself, I will start with myself, donate, put for inside. I will see send the receipt, go give that FA. Look, all everybody donate. Now we say supposed to donate. Go put account for America. Put this one. My brother, all this one now way backward. I advise everybody, make we help this woman. Make we just help this woman. Anybody who say will donate, make it call. I want every the money. If you know na Jenny account there. If you know na wait you want to do am, anyhow no want to do am. So far make the woman get the money to carry am come. Ya we go no kuna wala ye do wala. Wa forget you ba dey tell you buy at but you do. Please.
What to be better to our video ba wa gwan normal already.
This woman. I wa no. Okay.
Okay.
Later.
So my people, now Murphy come just now. You know, say because I can't do them. Anybody wey want donate for account wey he like for inside, you see my name. Wetin important for me na for we to help the woman. I can't put account already. Make una try Hey, okay, may I put you? I bet may I put you and make it the play for you this thing. Yeah, play. Yeah. Cha, yeah. Play. Play there. So my people, play. If I not carry you, you know play. This is my pikin. Yeah, you know once they want me to do to Papa. Oh, hey, since pikin say he want to do Papa, make it do Papa. So my people, as my mama can pikin they play with me. I send her me go buy something come for me. So yeah, your mama gonna you know go chill out. You dey play. I dey talk, you know they will play later. So this may I say they play like this. So my people, so take. So as I dey talk, they go just now. But my people, I don't talk this one reach. I don't want to talk again. Like later in the evening, I go talk more on the issue because my baby don't they distract me for wetin I want talk. So I'll talk on the issue more better since my baby don't distract me on the issue. So may I first come out now. Okay. Love everybody. Make una try. Your baby want play. So the donation will start. I will keep on doing it. So now baby want make him play. May I let him play. Okay, Mona take. I will come back later. Okay.